Welcome back guys, welcome to another episode of KW Tech official YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to show you guys how you can enable Hibernate feature on your Windows 10. So first of all, I want to tell you what Hibernate basically is. Hibernate use less power than sleep, and when you start up the PC again, you are back to where you left off. Use hibernation when you know that you wouldn't use your laptop or tablet for an extended period and wouldn't have an opportunity to charge the battery during that time. So I hope that you can basically understand what Hibernate is. So let's get started. First of all, what you need to do is just click on this Windows icon, and here you see a power button. Just click on it, and here you see you don't have Hibernate option in your menu. So how you can get that option? And here when you right click on it, then you go to shutdown or sign out, and here you see we don't either have that option here. So in this video we are going to show you guys how you can enable that Hibernate feature on your Windows 10. So first of all, what you need to do is just go to search bar and type control panel, and here you see control panel is open in front of us, and just we go click on category and then click on large icons. And after that, what we need to do is we need to find the power option and just click on that power options. And after that, what we need to click on change plan setting, and after that here you see we have that option change setting that are currently unavailable. Just click on it, and here you see you have Hibernate option that is unchecked. Just check that Hibernate and just save setting. And after that you will see that when we going to check again on the power menu, you will see the Hibernate option in your power menu. So I hope that this video will be helpful for you. If you find it helpful, do subscribe our channel KW Tech official. Inshallah we will meet you again in the next video. Take care and have a nice day.